Welcome today in Canet-en-Roussillon for the visit of the Bali Catspace. The Bali Catspace is the smallest boat in the range at Bali Catamarans. It's a 12 meters and 40-footer boat. But before walking through this beautiful unit, I would like to come back on 4 essential points for the construction of this unit. The first one is the clearance between bridge deck and water. The boat is high on the water in order to avoid the water slamming under the deck. This is important. This is for comfort, but also for the performance of the boat. The second main asset of this construction of this boat is also the very thin bows. This does not affect the performance of the boat with a small wet surface, but of course there is also a strake that gives a generous volume inside the boat. The third construction asset of this 40-footer is the rigidity. The rigidity is of course given by the solid foredeck, which is unique at Bali Catamarans, but is also given by this U-shaped beam. This avoids the flexibility of the boat. Of course, all the reinforcements and the bulkheads inside the boat are also laminated to the deck and to the hull. Last but not least, the core of the hull of the boat is made out of divinized cell foam, which is a closed cell foam. It's safe, light and strong. One of the main features at Bali Catamarans is the solid foredeck. Because this area is totally dry, you can find a lounge area, sunbed area, tables that can be enjoyed at sea, at anchor of course, but also during navigation because you got no sprays. At anchor, this area is also very comfortable because you have an easy access to the chain locker, the windlass, and its remote control with a great visibility on your anchor. Up front, in the forepeaks, you have a great storage. One of the main features of the brand is this tilting door at the back. When open, this gives the possibility to keep a great table with up to 10 people around, nice sliding windows on the side, and a great lounge area at the back with a huge storage underneath. When there is no bulkhead in the middle of the boat, this is the real open space. This gives the possibility to have a real house fridge with a fridge and a freezer, but also a decent galley with a lot of storage around, a microwave, a gas oven, gas stove, and all this looking forward. The Bali Catspace offers a real chart table. This chart table first is looking forward and offers a 360 degrees visibility around the boat. On this chart table, we have the chart plotter, the remote control of the autopilot, so you can drive the boat from inside, but also all the electric panels and all electric switches for the safety of the boat. The forward guest cabin of the Bali Catspace is unique on a 40-footer catamaran. It's a cross-beam full-size bed facing the sea, but also it has a convertible berth in order to welcome a third guest. Of course, this cabin has its own toilet and shower. The aft guest cabin is also very nice, very spacious, with a beautiful headroom, a lot of storage, a lot of lights coming in, and of course this cabin has also its own toilet and shower. In the owner's version of the Bali Catspace, the portside hull is fully dedicated to the user. A lot of storages, 2 wardrobes, but also a full-size closet, a makeup table, and one of the nice features in this hull is the safety hatch giving a view to the water. The owner's bathroom receives a lot of light, has a great ventilation, beautiful shower, but can also welcome a washer and dryer. The volume of the engine compartment is quite unique. Here we will find the water maker, but also the generator. With 400 liters, over 100 gallons of fuel, the autonomy of the Bali Catspace is also quite unique. We can fit 2x20, 2x30, but also 2x 40 horsepower in this beautiful boat. For over 100 square meters surface of sail upwind with only 9 tons, the Bali Catspace offers great performances at sea. The boat is equipped with electric winches, but also you can add a head sail such as a Cut Zero. This catamaran is the only 40-footer to offer a flybridge where 6 people can sit. 2 at the helm station, 4 on the sunbeds. This flybridge receives also the solar panels, and the access to the boom remains easy. The aft part of the boat offers a great shadow, a beautiful bathing platform, but also an electrically driven davit. Thank you for visiting with us today the Bali Catspace, and hope to see you on board very soon.